guys, and welcome to another episode of the Vego Show. I am Emiliana and today we've come to Shri Ratanlal Mithai Bhandar. So guys, हम यहाँ आए हैं बहुत सारी चाट और बहुत सारी sweets खाने because today I've got a sweet tooth and to try out the main speciality of what we have heard a lot, the chocolate pani puri. So the chocolate lovers out there, you have to come here to have the chocolate pani puri. तो हम शुभ आरंभ करते हैं कुछ मिठाइयों के साथ एंड आई एम डायरेक्टली गोइंग टू द रबड़ी सेक्शन बिकॉज आई लव रबड़ी एंड यू कैन सी द वैरायटी ऑफ रबड़ी है. तो हम जाके भैया से पूछते हैं कि यहाँ का सबसे स्पेशल रबड़ी कौन सा है. भैया यहाँ का सबसे स्पेशल रबड़ी कौन सा है?
वैसे तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे अच्छे आइटम हैं और सबसे फेमस आइटम मैंगो रबड़ी है और ड्राई फ्रूट में बहुत सारे आइटम हैं जो आप देख चुके हैं.
So guys, you've already heard the long list of special items present here, and today I'm going to try, as the uncle had already said, I'm going to try the mango rabdi because I feel like eating something mangoish. So guys, I've got my rabdi here. You can see how well presented it is. Now I'm going to try and see whether it meets the presentation on it. Trust me guys, it's really so good. As you can see, there's mango, there's a bit of pomegranate, there's kaju, pista, malai, and the mango they use is Alfonso, which is the king of all mangoes. And it's really delicious. So guys, you've already seen I've eaten that rabdi, mango rabdi, and I'm not yet satisfied yet, and I want to try something else. And we skip to the next speciality here, which is the caramel gujia. You can see right here, caramel gujia. ये एक caramel gujia. Caramel gujia is hazir over here and look at it, such a beauty. So let me try it now for you guys and say how it is. Review on your behalf. So it has got a soft like texture, like looking at it you feel it's a hard sweet but it's really soft. Taken the first bite and I'm in love with the taste of you. We push and pull like the magnet too. Okay, so coming to the review, it has got a very nutty taste to it. There is kaju, there is badam, there is pista, and for the chocolate lovers, it has a topping of chocolate, white chocolate, and it tastes really. The people who have a sweet tooth, you're going to really like the taste of it, and the texture is really good. I'm going to finish it, and you keep watching. So we've already tried sweets and my sweet tooth is satisfied now. So I want to eat something chatpata, something spicy, masaledar. So I'm going to have this main speciality here, which is the Raj Kachori. वैसे तो रानी कचौरी होना चाहिए as I am going to eat it, but anyhow it's okay. So that's all. भैया एक राज कचौरी. Guys, I've got my Rani Kachori. No, just kidding. Raj Kachori here, and I'm going to try it and see how it is. So this beauty in front of me has anar, moong, the sev, the dahi bhalla, And see this dahi balla here, you can see. Yeah. Woo. Okay, dahi and tomato and all, some veg, a lot of masala, and beetroot. Yeah, so that's what this Raj Kachori contains. And now for the taste, just put it into your mouth and there's a mixed explosion of taste. Like it's sweet, it's got a tangy taste to it, a bit spicy, chatpata, masaledar, and like there's a variety of things in here which is blend into a beautiful dish, you can say, like a perfect blend of all the different items to create one beauty, the Raj Kachori. All the mithai and all the chaat, I've come here to try another chaat item, and this is dedicated to all the chaat plus chocolate lovers, like the Golgappa lovers out there plus the Chocola lovers over there. Presenting the chocolate pani puri. Priya, एक plate chocolate pani puri. तो चॉकलेट पानी पूरी पेश किया जाए. So I can't wait, like it looks so tempting, so I'm going to try. Okay. Wondering where it's gone? Daya Kubla. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's already gone into my stomach and I've eaten it. You have already seen how tasty it looks. And now, class start kiya jaye. Instead of the pani, there was ice cream. Instead of the filling which they usually have, there was dry fruits and the chocolate ka puri instead of the normal puri which you have. And overall, it was tiny chocolate bomb which explodes in your mouth with the dry fruits and the ice cream. So guys, I've satisfied myself to the fullest eating the chaat, mithai and the chocolate pani puri. Talking about the rating, I would rate this place a 8 out of 10, which is pretty good. And talking about the pricing, approx for 2 it would fall up to 200 rupees, which is really nice. So catch you guys in the next episode of The Vigo Show. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.